Hey, so today I'm going to talk about DNA fingerprint analysis while using an example of a crime scene. So here's a little bit of backstory. Don Corleone, a prominent crime boss, has had one of his best friends whacked in broad daylight. Police have found a strand of hair that seemed to not match the victim's. All suspects were lined up and were requested to give their hair samples. Uh, the following are the results from the gel electrophoresis test. So as you can see, on the very left are the hair samples, and right next to it are the victim's genetic identification, just to prove that it's not his hair. So for the first suspect, we have Mario, who is the victim's best friend. Mario was tested because a few nights back, him and the victim had a falling out with one another, which got ugly according to neighbors. So for the first locus, it seems like Mario doesn't match the bands to the hair found on the scene. However, on the second locus, Mario does match the hair bands. However, you can't. The police could not conclusively find any evidence that genetic evidence matching Mario. So therefore, he couldn't have killed the victim. Second, Don Corleone was also tested because he thought that his best friend betrayed him. However, in the first locus, he does match with the hair sample. However, in the second locus, Don does not match with the sample hair bands. Thus, Don Corleone was ruled innocent. He also noted that he was not in the same area at the same time. Don Corleone's bitter rival Luigi, however, matched the bands in the first locus as well as in the second locus. Thus, Luigi was taken in further for further investigation because of the DNA fingerprints and motive. Luigi's mother, Maria, happened to also be on scene. She was tested because the police thought her son would send her out on a hit. However, in both loci, her bands did not match the hair sample on scene. It was, however, clear that Maria is Luigi's mother because she shares one band with Luigi, as you can see in the gel results. In the end, Luigi was tried because of further motive to get back at Don Corleone, as well as with matching DNA evidence. Later in the investigation, the murder weapon was found in Luigi's house, and he was sentenced to life in prison. All right, that's it for me. So, thank you.